Yes guys, in today's video we're going to be turning this LED indicator into a sequential LED indicator. The one on the right is how it is originally from factory, and the one on the left is what we're going to do to make it sequential. So this is the wire you receive from AliExpress. Obviously you get two, the other one's already in the car. So you can change the speed from 1 being the slowest, well original, or 9 being the quickest to make it look like the sequential. So let's get this fitted. So we're going to need to get behind the tail light. Move this back, it's sometimes a bit stubborn, so you might need to put a screwdriver in and move it back. Unscrew that. You don't want to drop this in the back because there'll be a mission to take it back out. You can take the light out just to give it a bit of a clean behind that area. Yeah, so if you want, you can give that area a bit of a clean. Put some elbow grease into it. Looking a bit better. So this end will be going into the light, and this end will be going into the harness of the car. So let's do that now. Five times, 6 times. This is 7 times. At 8 times. Both at 9 times. Once you're happy with the speed, then just push everything to the back, out of the way, and get your screw back into the correct spot and tighten it up. Final result left at 6.